Hello friends, welcome to UKG Plus 2. I hope so you like this video. You can share this video with your family and friends, those who really needs. For the latest information, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest update.
Nowadays, it's a time for a full stack development, means a pure full stack development. And everybody in the market is looking for one thing, that you should be a full stack developer. Whether you are a fresher or whether you are a college pass out, you need to be a full stack developer if you are looking for a job right now. Okay. Then, and this is not, I'm not saying this thing. The survey of the big companies show this thing, that average entry level full stack developer earn 7 lakh and good one can earn more than 17 lakh. Plus, the number of job opening for a full stack developer in numbering increased by 30%. It's enormous and increased by 30, means it's right now ample amount of job. People say that because of COVID, I'm not getting a job. No, you are having a wrong tech stack right now. You are having a wrong tech stack. That is why you are not getting a job. But job is right now available in market, and only for those who are very good with tech stack, and mainly full stack developers. Around 1 million full stack job openings profile to be expected in 2020. Like, people think like because of this COVID, the job will going. Ideally, guys, job is going not for every market. Job is there for IT, and IT is growing like anything. Because you see, no, all things are coming online, starting from our schools to offices, everything coming online. So that is why in a 2020 itself, job is increasing for a full stack developer, guys. Will train our top tech. I am the one, Shubham Bhumika. We all are there from a all tech stack, and will teach you a great kind of understanding. Means this is sure, after this internship program, you can call yourself a full stack developer and having a proper understanding of coding also, guys. Now, next, learn from the industry best mentors and content created by industry experts. So it's not like that the content that you're going to get in this internship is something like copy paste from somewhere. No, it's completely built by us, and we have picked those topics which market demand. This is the complete hands-on training, guys. People say I learn from here and there, I learn from any institute, I learn from YouTube, and so not like that. Idly point like the lot of difference when a trainer teach you, and anything when it comes to the hands-on, guys, it gives a complete different kind of a scenario. So in this, it's a complete hands-on training. Learn important thing to save time, because when we are new, no, when somebody say, okay, go learn this thing, go learn this thing, we keep on learning so many things, but we don't focus on the target. This internship is for that. Will keep you focused on the target, that guys, do this thing, and then you can get a job. And apart from this, once your internship is over, we'll give the career counseling and job assistance as well, guys. So this internship is completely different altogether from the one you think of right now. Guys, it's in this internship, we are going to build a one product. We are going to build a product just like Zomato. In this internship, will teach you how exactly this Zomato can be built. Now, people come with the understanding, say, Akash, you are teaching Zomato. What about if I have to make my trip? What about if I have to make my book my show? What about if I have to make something like a Paytm? Then I'll tell you one thing, guys. You just have to learn any of them. See, if I just go see what happened in any website, just take example of Amazon. You see the list of products. After that, open Amazon simple. Now what happened in Amazon? Any XYZ website, guys. Suppose I like this product. I open this product. I like it. What I do? I'll say iPhone. Okay, I search one product. this is a listing, right? I click on that. I go to the detail page. Now I like that product. What I'll do? I buy now. It asks me detail. Order place. Now take example of Book My Show. You like the movie. You select the movie. Select the seat number and done. You go to Zomato. You like that food. You select that food. You place the order. You go to book. Say Make My Trip. You select the tickets. You book that ticket. Guys, any XYZ website you pick, everyone have the same flow. Only the image or the display is different, but ultimately everyone can do that all basic features. Means in this internship program, we are going to teach you to make something like a Zomato. Once you understand to make a Zomato, guys, after that you can make anything. Why? Because you understand the flow. And if I talk more about this program, in this program, guys, we are going to give a certificate. I'll here. Then obviously certificate will not much make a difference for you. But guys, when you are a fresher, when you are a college pass out, when you are experience of around 1 to 4 years, at that time, certificate very important role. Means a certificate tell that how much knowledge this person have. And people say, does it make sense to get a certificate from Edureka? Guys, I'll tell you one thing. Edureka is now a brand. Actually, it's a brand, and a maximum people in the industry know about Edureka. So the certificate of Edureka make much difference in getting the job. In this course, guys, we are going to offer a 3 kind of certificate. The first certificate is will issue one certificate, and we call it the course completion certificate. So by default, you get this certificate, but your focus is not this, because this is given to everyone. Try to focus on, guys, these 2 more important certificate. One is Edureka internship certificate. We'll give the proper internship certificate, and this internship certificate will be given to those are a part of a program, and they will able to complete their project. But no need to worry about will I'm able to complete or not. I don't know anything about coding. Still, I'm able to complete. Obviously, guys, we are here to tell you how to complete. I'm going to give a session on the weekends, and Bhumika and Shubham give the session on the weekdays. So at the end, we'll train you in the way that you can work on this project. So that's for sure. Our target is to make this certificates also allowed issue to you guys by making your project complete. And guys, we already have running batches. In the running batches, almost 95% people are able to do that. Those who are not willing to do, that's a different story. But those who are willing to do, they are able to do that. And in my current batches, yes, people are able to do that. Even believe me or not, it's up to you. But ultimately, in my current batches, those who have completed the internship, I get a lot of messages on daily basis or weekends or the weekly basis. People say that, sir, I'm able to clear the interview. I'm able to clear the interview. Why? Because they are the part of this course and they learn a lot from this. And the best certificate is, after this certificate, guys, we are going to issue one more certificate. That is called Super Intern. So this is a paid offering from Edureka. Suppose you think like, I'm very good with knowledge. Now I know everything. You are able to complete your project. Plus you build your own product also. Suppose you are able to build one project and you build your own product also. We'll hire you as a teaching assistant. So as a teacher, this is a paid job. So basically we can give a paid offerings to you if you work well in your internship. Means everywhere it's a win-win. Means at least 2 certificates everyone can get, and 1 certificate with a job opening you will get with Edureka. So guys, at any stage you think, it's a complete win-win. And that's our motive. So first of all, tell me guys, you're able to understand what exactly it's all about? You're able to understand what exactly it's all about? Awesome. Perfect. Now, the very important thing, guys, I'm starting. Now, this is super important. Super important. Now, guys, what is full stack development? Well, who is full stack developer? A full stack development is a one. Okay, let's take one example of one website. Suppose I open one website. Let's go there. Over this website, let's open. You'll see a lot of things, guys. So you see the image, you see some graph, you see some tabs, some colors, some icons, a lot of things you see, right? I go at this place, I see some other UI, I can see this drop down, I can see this search bar, I can see my profile, I can see some more information about me. It means I'm able to interact with it. So guys, a full stack development contains 4 parts. One is called as front end, one is called as back end, one is called as database, and one is called as server. Front end, back end, database, and server. So we'll not talk about server. We'll talk about front end, back end, and database. What is that? Guys, the things that you see, okay? The things that you see, the things that you interact with, all are the part of front end. The things that you see or the things that you interact with, all are the part of front end. Okay. After that, when I click here, I'll get some different data. When I click here, I get some different data. From where this data is coming? This data is coming from database. Okay, the things that you interact with is the front end and data is coming from database. So I'll do one thing. No, I'll ask my front end to talk to database. Okay, and get the things done. Guys, allow me just 1 minute. Hold on. Now, here we think in a way like the front end is the part that we can see or interact with, right? And database where the data store. So we'll do one thing. No, I'll ask my front end to talk to database and display the data. Guys, as of now, it is not possible. As of now, it's not possible that my front end can talk to the database directly. So what happened? The front end have to talk to the back end, and back end will talk to database. Then database will talk to back end, and then back end will talk to front end. In short, our front end will talk to the back end will talk to the database will talk to the back end again, and the back end will talk to the front end. In short, a person who have knowledge of front end, back end, and database is a full stack developer. Now, to understand this thing, guys, there are a lot of technologies right now available in market. What are those technologies are? On a front end, we have like Angular, React, Vue, Backbone. On the back end, we have like Node.js, .NET, Java, Python. Then on the database like MongoDB, MySQL, Oracle, Couchbase. So many things are available. But what to choose? Guys, choose what is trending. Learn what is demanding. See, it's a normal thing. In the season of having the mangoes, if somebody is selling you the, say, oranges, who will take it? Very less people, right? Very less people. Why? Because it's a season of having the mangoes and you are selling the, say, oranges. So ultimately, it will be less sale. It's very simple in terms of IT, guys. The demand is right now something else, and if you're learning something else, of no use. It makes sense to learn what people demand, and that's what we are going to do here. Now, what technology we should learn? Okay, before learning any technology, no, guys, we should do a lot of research over that, because should not believe on anyone directly. And what technology we should learn, I'll come back to you. But before jumping to that part, guys, tell me, are you clear what are you able to understand it? What exactly full stack development is? Awesome. I hope guys you're liking the session. It's good, interactive, or getting some interesting facts from here. Awesome. It's very much informative. Perfect. Fine. Let's do the next thing. Now, development. Guys, web development is a top trending thing in market. Why? Because you see yourself. See, guys, remember the time when you download the movies, put in a hard disk, download the songs. Now tell me, check your phone right now. Just right now, check your phone and see how many songs you have in your library. Hardly one or two. No one have those songs. How much movie you have downloaded in laptop? Nobody do that. How much software you download? Nobody do that. Why? Not required. Why not required? Because guys, everything is on web. You want to listen to the song? You'll go to the Gaana.com, Jio or Savan. You want to see the movies? You go to Netflix. You go to Amazon Prime. Guys, those days are gone where we download something. We don't download these days. Why? Because it's a web. You want to do a shopping? Even you want to buy from a needle to the car. Everything available online. Isn't it? So guys, and because of COVID, its requirement increase high. Every single thing is online. Every is web development. So learning a web development is very important. Now guys, now what you make? You don't make a front end separately, desktop separately, tablet separately, or say smart TV separately. No, we'll make one UI. This work on the smart TVs also, that work on the tablets also, mobile also, desktop also. Everything work over one UI, work over everything. Similarly, backend. Nowadays, guys, we make one backend. Same backend will be used in the mobile applications, your web apps, your smart TVs, your laptop, your tablets. And same database can connect to my laptop also, my tablets also, my phones also, my TVs also. So ultimately, even a once, make it once and use it everywhere. That's what the trend is. People trying to get over the things. And guys, I already told you this thing. Everything is web. Every single thing these days is web. See, Instagram, Facebook, Amazon, Zomato, Google Drive. Guys, we don't buy the pen drive these days. Why? We upload the things to Drive and pass it to our friends. And even we don't have to pass it. We directly give a link to them. Please download it if you need it. So nowadays, those days are gone. So come here and learn that what is trending. Now tell me one thing. As we talk about, a lot of technologies are there in a full stack development, but what to learn? Now I'll ask you one question. Answer me one question, guys. That if you have an option to go for a one trip, okay, in that trip you have two options: go with your friends or family, or go with an altogether unknown person. Either go with a friends or family, or go with unknown person. What you will prefer, guys? What you will prefer? Friends or family or unknown person? So I think 100% audience is saying friends and family, right? Why? Okay, let's ask your reason. Why, guys? Why friends and family, not unknown person? Any specific reason? Correct. Comfortable, safety, trust, compatibility level, privacy, right? Exactly. Will be free, can interact easily. One important point somebody say, Rudraksh, interact easily. Now, guys, same thing happen here. Now, please understand this thing in detail. Same thing happen here. Why we prefer to go with friends and family? Because we are more comfortable with them. We know what they like. We know what they dislike. We have to make a, even in a one single room, we can share with them because we are friends, right? But if we go with unknown person, we are very much shy, right? We'll think like, okay, let's buy a 2 room, one for one person, one for one person. When we order the food, we have to buy something for them, something for us. Means everything increase. My cost increase, my space increase, my budget increase, my compatibility level have to increase. Everything increase. But when something on a same level, it become easy. Now let's come back. Let's come back from a trip and understand here. So why I picked this topic, guys? See, same thing happen with the application. Here we are going to learn one thing called MERN stack. And why exactly MERN stack is required? Why MERN stack? Okay, I'll tell you what exactly MERN stack, and I'll come back to this point. Guys, MERN, Mongo, Express, React, and Node. Mongo, Express, React, and Node. What is that? Mongo is a database. Express is a backend. React is a front end, and Node is a backend. Means Node and Express is a part of backend. MongoDB is a database, and React is a front end. Why this is popular? I'll tell you one thing. Now see, Mongo, JavaScript based. Express, JavaScript. React, JavaScript. Node, JavaScript. I hope now you can relate it. See, why we want to go with our own things? Because we are comfortable. Same thing, guys. Your backend also in JavaScript, your front end also in JavaScript, your database also in JavaScript. Means at the end, everything in JavaScript. When everything is in JavaScript, it becomes easy. Why easy? Because a person who have understanding of JavaScript can work on any tech stack. And ultimately, when application building happen, it's the same level. Everything JavaScript. They don't need any separate things for that because everything work on JavaScript. So that is why, guys, this is super required. This is very much required. The reason for that is it's being in a same tech stack. I hope you got the answer. And guys, this answer you have to give in an interview also. When somebody asks you why MERN stack, same, ask the person, sir, what's the preference? Don't see how much confident you are in giving the selected, a chance of selection become more. Why? Because a person think like this person know better than me. Why MERN stack is important and required? Because it's all of them are in a same stack. As all of them are in a same stack, so it becomes easy for develop the application, deploy the application, run the application, and build the application. So guys, that is